Wall Street's climate finance evolution, the $6 trillion infrastructure revolution. Wall Street abandoned climate finance? The headlines got it wrong. While everyone was watching the exits, $6.2 trillion was quietly building the future. The story everyone heard. Major banks left voluntary climate pledges. Markets panicked. Climate finance was dead. But while traditional banks were making headlines, something massive was happening behind the scenes. The real story. The real story, $6.2 trillion in sustainable bonds, $2.3 trillion in annual energy transition investment, record $20 billion clean energy funds. This wasn't retreat, this was evolution. Alternative asset managers became the new climate infrastructure banks. The maturation. Climate finance grew up, from CEO letters to legally binding bonds, from quarterly PDFs to real-time blockchain verification, from speculative offsets to infrastructure assets with 10 to 25-year contracted returns. The opportunity gap. Here's the opportunity. Emerging markets need $2.4 trillion annually by 2030. They're getting less than 15%. Africa, with 20% of global population, receives just 2%. The gap? $275 billion in equity. But here's the breakthrough. $1 of catalytic capital unlocks $30 in total investment. The BioEconomy Solution. Enter BioEconomy Solutions. We're not chasing yesterday's carbon offsets. We're building tomorrow's climate infrastructure. Hard assets replacing voluntary commitments. Contracted returns replacing speculative trading. Emerging market deployment filling the $2.4 trillion gap. The carbon infrastructure advantage. This is what institutional investors are hunting for. Infrastructure assets with steel offtake contracts. Green bonds with use of proceeds covenants. Blended finance compatibility unlocking 10 to 30x leverage. Just transition alignment creating 3 to 5x more jobs than traditional projects. The verification revolution. Real-time verification through telemetry and blockchain technology. Satellite monitoring of carbon sequestration. Transparent, auditable impact measurement. This isn't your grandfather's ESG reporting. This is infrastructure-grade climate finance. The market reality. The $6 trillion in sustainable bonds isn't looking for more carbon offset projects. They're looking for infrastructure assets with contracted returns, measurable impact, and emerging market exposure. That's exactly what we've built. Your call to action. The climate finance revolution isn't coming, it's here. While others chase headlines, smart money is building green carbon infrastructure. The bottom line. The future of climate finance isn't voluntary, it's inevitable. Climate finance is not retreating, it is evolving. This positions BES as the sophisticated infrastructure play that institutional investors are seeking. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.